How's it going, everyone? Dante here from Frank Scott Outdoors. Next up, we're going to be talking about the Ned Rig. Essentially, this is one of the easiest baits to use to catch big fish. Best used in the spring and fall cold water conditions. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your mushroom style jig head made by Z-Man, and then your TRD made by Z-Man also. And you're just going to slide that little worm on that jig head, and then it's just going to look something small like that. And underwater, because of this jig head being like a mushroom and the TRDs have air pockets in them, it stands up underneath water, and that's what causes the bass to hit it. Here at Frank Scott Outdoors, we got a lot of those, a lot of different colors, a lot of different jig heads to choose from. So come on in and we'll get you rigged up.